The top 6 scariest rides at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom is better recognized for its whimsical charm, immersive regions, and adorable characters than for its nail-biting thrill rides. There are some rides at the park that offer a few thrills, but none of the attractions can compare to the enormous roller coasters and other heart-pounding rides seen at amusement parks like Six Flags. Nevertheless, the majority of visitors, including kids, ought to be able to manage Disney's fabled mountain range and its vintage dark rides. Number 6. Pirates of the Caribbean. This buccaneer boat trip in Pirates of the Caribbean involves a few tiny drops, periods of complete darkness, and ominous images that can be unnerving. Despite the thrills, this ride is one of Disney's most adored attractions and is a favorite of many kids. Number 5. The Haunted Mansion. This ride is dark, noisy, and chock full of haunting pleasures, yet it's more amusing than scary. With a name like the Haunted Mansion, you'd have to expect at least a few jump scares from the attraction's 999 ghosts, even if there are no coaster-type drops, dips, or twists on this ride. The more terrifying sequences that might be unsettling for very young children are the ghostly bride's beating heart, the cemetery's pop-up ghouls, and the unseen victims banging on the doors. Number 4. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. The Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is a smooth experience that is both a dark ride and a coaster. It may not be suited for extremely young children, though, as there is a significant drop at the conclusion that falls just a few feet short of Splash Mountain's exhilarating drop. Please like and subscribe. Which Magic Kingdom ride do you think is the scariest? Number 3. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad has a top speed of 36 miles per hour, which is 9 miles per hour quicker than Space Mountain. But without the darkness of the indoor coaster, Big Thunder Mountain seems to go more slowly. The 3 distinct lift hills on this mine train coaster make for an intriguing feature, and the ride lasts for 3 minutes, 30 seconds. One of the longest coasters in the world, this is unusually long for a coaster. Number 2. Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain combines a dark ride attraction featuring animatronics with the traditional log flume experience. Number 1. Space Mountain. Space Mountain, arguably the most well-known indoor roller coaster, provides more emotional than physical thrills. Although this storied ride only has a meager top speed of 27 miles per hour, the effects, darkness, and sense of surprise give the impression that it is moving much quicker. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment down below.